Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are here with Miss Bianca Donk, and I welcome you to April Copic Colors. So if you're not familiar with the hashtag Copic Colors, this is something the company Copic, which makes all the alcohol markers, have been doing this year. Each month they give you a set of 3 colors and you pretty much do whatever you want with them. So it's kind of like a very fun 3 marker challenge that you don't have to do yourself, but they do and they give it to you. So this month it was E04, E41, and E47. So they're very earth tones, whereas last month I think they were all greens, and I wasn't really aware of this challenge before last month. I discovered it when I was on Instagram, like hashtag Copic Colors. And I'm like, oh cool, what's this? I'm like, oh cool, 3 marker challenge. You know what? I discovered at the end of March I couldn't do a video, but I was like, okay, well this gave me one for next month, so I kind of waited around, and they released the colors, and I didn't have 2 of them. So of course I went out and I got the 2 that I was missing, and I really liked them. My first initial thought was that it reminded me of Neapolitan ice cream. I don't know if this is just a me area or this is just something I grew up with, but Neapolitan ice cream is chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. It's all together, well not all together, swirled, but it's like one section chocolate, one section vanilla, and one section strawberry. So when I looked at them, that's what instantly that I thought of. I thought of ice cream. So I wanted to do this girl with ice cream-esque hair, and so I had to think about it, like how exactly do I do ice cream hair? Do I want it down in little swirls? Do I want it to actually look like a soft serve ice cream, like ice cream? Or do I want it to be hair that's shaped in ice cream, so you kind of get the thought like, oh, that could be ice cream. So I didn't go with the whole soft serve thing because I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to render this afterwards, and I'm not quite sure how to render ice cream, especially because I only have 3 colors to go by. So I did add a cone in her hair, and I did little swirls up into a peak with the cherry, just a little cherry on top to make it be like, okay, this is ice cream. And then on the bottom, I did do the, oh my gosh, that's my cat scratching at the door, don't mind that. So I did do the 3 scoops at the bottom. I didn't know what kind of outfit to give her, so I was like, let's just give her a kind of 3 scoops of ice cream. Now for the coloring. I initially just put down the solid colors for the scoops of ice cream in kind of the pattern of Neapolitan ice cream. It's like, okay, you get the idea. This is ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. How many times do I say ice cream in this video? Let me know in the comments down below. But her hair was the primary objective of this video for me, was to get it blending all together, because these colors are really gorgeous, and I'm glad there's the dark, medium, and like light color. So my initial thought was I was going to go from the light color to the pink and then to the brown. So she's originally blonde hair, and I was like, you know, because I did the eyebrows. I already colored in the eyebrows, and then I decided, no, I'm going to make her a brunette. And then I knew at one point as I was coloring, I was thinking of doing it brown, white, and then pink as the colors of the ice cream, but then that didn't make sense because it's not going from dark to light. So I'm kind of a little bit upset with myself that I didn't do the actual order of the ice cream, but I did it more in order of shade. I was like, I only noticed it halfway through of the pink. I was like, oh no, I didn't do this in the right order. But I did it, I was doing it, like I was rendering hair. That was my main objective, and I wasn't thinking of the actual ice cream ordering. Nonetheless, I am very proud of this piece. I love 3 marker challenges. I think they're fantastic. You will see one in the future, but these ones were just given to me. I actually had to get these colors, whereas the ones I planned are the colors that I own already. Nonetheless, I hope you guys like this video. I can't wait till next month's colors. And here is the final piece. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments down below. Doesn't she look so delicious? Alright, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!